What's up, YouTube, and welcome back. Well, today we're out here with the big truck. Still don't have a name for it. And one thing that kind of bugs me is the exhaust. So yesterday, a little piece of the passenger side, that's literally all that was left there. Went in the barn, grabbed these Flowmaster Super 10s that I picked up at a garage sale for a steal. And then underneath the passenger side, this is 2.5 inch pipe. That is from extra from when I did the exhaust on Phoenix. So we're gonna cut this rusty muffler off the driver's side so we can match this. I don't know if I want to have the muffler come out right here underneath the step, or if I'm just gonna have it come straight back. But it'll sound way better than what we got now. So before we get chop happy, we're gonna go ahead and start the truck, and we're gonna listen to how it sounds now. And then we will get the old stuff cut off, the new stuff put on, and we'll be back. So this is how it sounds right now. You can see, got a muffler, but it's pretty rusty. Side, just literally straight pipe. Quieter. Bad. A little bit of exhaust actually was pretty shot. But I'm gonna throw a piece of straight pipe on there and we're gonna start it up because why not? We got our pipe sitting on there now. Obviously not the same length because the exhaust is cut in different spots. But let's see how it sounds. Probably like crap. Our Super 10s on there, just sitting on there. It's just for test purposes. Way milder. So now I'm gonna go through, it's really warm out. I'm gonna go through and figure out exactly how I wanna mount them and come back after they're mounted. Here is the driver's side pipe. Put the date on there so, I don't know, somewhere down the future I'll remember. Driver's, or passenger side is already on. Driver's side's on. I don't know what I'm thinking. That's what we went with. I got hangers in the garage. I'm still gonna hang them up instead of just having them wired, but I think that'll look kind of hot rodish, I guess. Because if you look back here, you're gonna see that tip, but I think that'll look good. Took her down the road. We got the exhaust all done. I mean, it's a little loud, I guess, but it's a truck, so. Co-pilot. Sound bad though. So if you guys actually stuck around to see how this big block sounds to Flowmasters, thank you. So until the next project, like, comment, share, subscribe. See you in the next one.